In a small mountain village lived Leo, a young carpenter known for his skill but crippled by fear. He avoided every challenge, believing he wasn't good enough. Leo thinks, I can't do this. What if I fail again? One morning, the village elder approached him with a task: to build a wooden bridge across the roaring river. People laughed at the idea. Villagers mocked and said, Leo, the scared woodworker, he'll never make it. Elder said, your bridge will not cross the river. It will cross your fear. With trembling hands, Leo began. The wind howled, his hammer shook, and his mind screamed, you'll fail again. Days passed. On the third day, he collapsed in frustration. Leo thinks, why can't I do anything right? Maybe they were all correct. That night, as Leo sat beside the half-built bridge, an old traveler approached. Traveler asks, why so sad, young man? Leo told, I'm building a bridge, but my fear breaks it every time. Traveler said, then stop building with fear. Build with faith. The bridge outside is only a mirror of the one inside. Something shifted in Leo's eyes. The next morning, Leo returned with a different heart. Each strike of the hammer echoed with belief, not doubt. Leo softly tells, this time I'll finish it, because I already crossed the bridge within. Villagers watched in silence as he worked relentlessly under the blazing sun. After weeks of effort, the bridge stood strong, elegant, and unshakable. When he walked across it for the first time, the same people who laughed now clapped. Villager said, you did it, Leo. Elder smiled and said, no, he became it. Leo looked back at the river and realized it was never the river that stopped him. It was his own belief. The bridge wasn't built by wood and nails. It was built by courage, patience, and a new mindset. When your mind believes, your reality bends. The bridge is already within you. All you have to do is walk across. Thank you for watching our channel, Fuel for the Soul. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for upcoming such motivational stories. Thank you, my lovely viewers.